Today we're in Aurora, Colorado in the Adonea neighborhood taking a look at my latest listing. You're gonna love this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 3-story home. Stick around and let's take the tour. Welcome inside. So when I first come in, we have this nice foyer area that says welcome to my home. Nice window in here letting in natural light. We see our stairs leading upstairs, and if we walk on back this way, we're going to find a nice bonus room. Again, lots of windows in here, so it's light and bright. You're going to find that throughout this whole entire home. We got some under the stairs storage right here. This is the entrance in from your 2-car garage, and over this way is where your utilities are. Want to mention that they also did put in a humidifier and a water softener, and those come included in the sale of the home. If we walk over this way, we find our double doors leading out onto the patio. The hot tub comes along with the sale of the house. They've extended the patio, put in some turf, and also added stairs to the deck upstairs so that you can get access to the yard from up there. All right. This home also sits in an awesome area right across from a park. You kind of get a little bit more openness here than a lot of the homes in the neighborhood. Really nice front porch as well. All right, with that, let's head upstairs and see what's going on up there. All right, welcome upstairs. First thing I want to point out, glass door leading into a little bonus room. They have it set up as an office. Window in there, providing plenty of natural light. And then here we are into the kitchen. First thing I want to show you really quick, nice big walk-in pantry. Plenty of room for all your goods. Little coffee station, the perfect place for that over here. And as you will notice, there's a lot of countertop space in here, cabinets, island here with the sink and dishwasher in the island. Plenty of room to have 4 chairs comfortably pulled up, some nice pendant lighting in here. And want to point this out, I absolutely love this window right here in the backsplash. Really stylish, adds a, just a touch of interest in here. And of course it lets in more light, and we're all about light. All right, into the dining room. Want to point out the nice lighting in here. Really nice lighting throughout this whole main floor area for sure. Enough room for your table. In addition to maybe if you have a buffet or something, it's going to fit in here just fine. All right, walking over this way, double doors leading onto this deck that I told you about here. Perfect place for a barbecue. And like I mentioned, they had stairs put in, so that allows you access to the backyard from up here. All right. Really nice size, great room. Again, nice lighting in here. Some big windows, light and bright. And it's spacious. They have a great big sectional in here now, so plenty of space in this great room. All right, heading over this way, we're gonna take a step up here, which is gonna lead us to the powder bathroom. Nice size powder bath. Some of those powder baths you see are really, really teeny. This one gives you plenty of space. And with that, we're gonna head upstairs. Let's go. All right, welcome upstairs. Over this way, you're gonna find a linen closet and your laundry room. And we're gonna come over this way. We're gonna find some bedrooms. First, secondary bedroom here. Some nice big windows in here. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Back that way, you're gonna find your walk-in closet. Alrighty. And turning around the corner here is the next secondary bedroom. Secondary bathroom, you'll notice the tile goes all the way to the ceiling, and there is a window inset there. Granite countertops, undermount sink, and into the primary bedroom. Nice size. You're gonna notice the 3 windows up there, letting in some light and some interest. Great big window here, but definitely plenty spacious bedroom. And into the bathroom where we find a tub, shower, combo, again, with the tile to the ceiling, couple windows in there, letting in some natural light. Nice long double sink vanity, again, granite countertops, undermount sinks. And over this way, you're gonna find your toilet closet. There's a window in there. And at the end of the bathroom here, the walk-in closet. Again, my name is Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. This home is in the Adonea neighborhood in Aurora, Colorado. If you'd be interested in seeing this home, call your realtor. If you have a realtor, set an appointment. If you don't have a realtor, feel free to reach out to me directly and set up your showing. And yeah, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a super day.